How am I supposed to start this video? Hello, what up? Hey YouTube. Hi, what's good guys? Go away. What is good guys? So today I want to talk about the recent competition, raffle, whatever you want to call it, that Offspring did. They posted 3 images of doors 1, 2 and 3, and you had to comment on one door with the emoji of a door. If you were chosen, you get backdoor access to purchase one of these shoes. We had no idea what shoes they were. I was very lucky to win. I won on backdoor number 2. Today we're going to unbox those shoes, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the whole process and my thoughts on it and how I feel like Offspring sort of handling the current situation and climate of sneaker culture. So without further ado, let's unbox these. Yes, I know what they are, you probably do too by now, but I've never seen these in person before. I've never owned a pair of this silhouette, so let's do it. A little bit sad that the box is plain black and it's not the special one that the people in New York got, but hey ho. So these are the Atmos Air Max 95, UK size 6. So here they are, my first ever pair of Air Max 95. Honestly, I've never been much of a 95 girl. They're just not really me and my style. In England, the culture is quite specific to different shoes, and I've never really been a part of the culture that's associated with 95s. People will know what I'm talking about. But this shoe, the way the team from Atmos have put their spin on it, like, it is a crazy shoe. To put all of the patterns from different animals, you know, it's the top 5, that's what they call it when you go on safari. It's zebra, leopard, tiger, I'm guessing that's a lion. Don't know what that is, but it is a wild shoe, literally. I'm not too sure if I love them in a hand. Like, I see people rocking them and I think, yeah, they're really dope, but I don't know if I could do that. But amazing to have the chance to win a pair. So as I mentioned, I won these in Offspring's Instagram competition. Offspring have really started giving a lot of thought, possibly a little bit too much thought, into how they release exclusive shoes. They're trying to stop resellers getting their hands on them, which, okay, that's a respectable thought to have, but how can you actually do that accurately without punishing anyone else? And what I mean by that is, I won these by commenting on an image, but from what I can see and from what I've seen other people discuss, and from who I know who else won this competition, I get the impression that only people who maybe post sneaker content or have made it quite obvious on their Instagram profiles that they're sneakerheads, which I understand that, but at the same time you're then limiting people who maybe don't post that on their Instagram. Some people don't use it for sneakers, they might use it for just personal images, pictures of their family, travels, whatever, and they're not going to get a look into these or the Air Max 1 or to the Sean Witherspoons because they don't use their IG for maybe something more professional, which I do. I keep all my personal stuff away from Instagram. I just post my passion and my content on there. So I'm not sure if I completely agree with Offspring's recent method of doing it. There's never any competitions these days to win a pair of shoes. It's always to win a chance to buy them, and everyone freaked out when they saw that these were £215 and you've got the Air Max 1s that are like, what, 125, 130, like there's really not that much difference between the two. Similar materials, similar amount of materials, like I'll be honest, they're very, very well made. I'll show you a closer look. Like the quality is great, no problem with that. To be honest, I don't generally have problems with night quality. I don't see what all the complaining is about with glue and all this nonsense. These are very well made. I imagine they were hard to make because the material is so thick and there's so much hair on these damn things. 215 is a lot of money. I don't like that we can't just win shoes anymore. I get that people will pay for it, so that's why they do it. I know that they'll make their money, but I just don't like how competitions have become like a chance to win something. That's my 2 cents on the whole Offspring shebang. What do you think? Let me know. I always want to continue discussions that I start through the content that I produce, so please comment down below or comment on my Instagram, whatever. Let me know what you think about the Atmos pack, these and the Air Max ones. Which ones do you prefer? Which ones are you going for? But also let me know what you think about just the culture in general and how retailers are releasing sneakers and what you think Offspring maybe could have done better or what you appreciated about this recent competition. They're actually doing another one. I'm not sure if they're doing it by posting a backdoor again. I think they are. I think it's backdoor 4 and 5. But now I'm not allowed to enter that competition because I won these, which again, I don't like that. The whole point of making things fair for people is to give everyone the same chance, and I don't think that's fair that you should exclude me because I've already won to somebody else. Like, if it was random, maybe you wouldn't be putting that rule in. I don't know, that's just a thought. Yeah, these are Air Max 95 Atmos. Great quality, dope shoe. I'm sure plenty of people will be happy with these. I myself, as much as I like them, I don't think they're for me. I don't think they're my style. I don't think I could pull them off. So I'm probably going to see what I can trade for them, something that I really want, and a UK 6, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I don't post many videos on YouTube. Most of my content goes on Instagram at Mrs. Teriyaki, if you want to check that out. Thanks again. Peace.